there's another color shifting AI focus and top notch phone in the market today, and that is none other than the Honor 10 from Huawei's e-brand Honor. So this phone has just been recently announced, and I'd like to go into this color shifting beauty AI phone. Let's see if it really lives up to the name, at least on paper. Starting off with the camera, it will have a 24 megapixel AI camera. I'll get into why it's called an AI camera later. And it also has a Aura glass design, and that is quite similar to what we've seen on Huawei's P20 and P20 Pro, where the colors kind of shift with the glass, which is pretty nice design to have, but at the end of the day it's still glass, so that means you're probably still playing with the fingerprints obviously. And the display is going to be 5.84 inches with minimal bezels and a notch. You will have a ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which that means that the fingerprint sensor is underneath the bottom bezel of the phone, which is kind of new to have, but I don't know if they were able to put it under the display like Vivo did with their prototype phone that we've been seeing on the news lately, but at least it's a step to make. And the AI powered NPU, and it also has supercharged with 5V and 4.5A. So the display, we've gone through about how minimal bezels on big screen work. Minimal bezels makes bigger screen and thus making the phone not very too big and easy to fit in your hand. We talk about the advantages of that. And the camera is 24 megapixels main and a 60 megapixel camera as well. So it's dual lens, and it also has a f1.8 aperture, which is wide, and also thanks to that AI, it has real-time recognition of over 500 plus scenarios, which is like on Huawei and Samsung would have done with their devices, like with the S9, and 22 categories and seeing specific parameter applications, which is all thanks to Huawei's AI and the MPU chip that it was placed inside. So it's able to recognize multiple objects. It's surprising that we can have phones that do this, but normally you can always still go into pro mode, but most times people these days just want to take a quick shot, so this is convenient for those people. And also the front facing camera is 24 megapixels as well, which is going to be some high quality selfies to bring up your Instagram game for, you know, all Instagrammers out there. And also an artificial intelligent AI mode, kind of like what Google has done with their Pixel 2, where they have software do the portrait mode. But then again, Huawei still has dual lens cameras, so AI and the hardware to make portrait mode possible would bring promising quality to portrait mode. And it has 30 portrait lighting modes, something like how it works in the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10, but the iPhone 10 doesn't have as much. I'm not sure how many the iPhone 8 has again, but this has about 4. So 3D portrait lighting it comes with. And you also have the face unlock feature. So not only do you have a fingerprint sensor, but you also have the advantages of facial recognition. Apple, if you're listening. And back on that fingerprint sensor, the fingerprint sensor is what they call the ultrasonic sensor, which is under the glass, which enables faster unlock even with wet hands. Because normally with the fingerprint sensors we have today, if your hand is wet, it makes it difficult for the fingerprint sensor to actually register or unlock your phone. So they claim that doing this makes it easier for those situations. And also with AI, it automatically reduces background noise. If you're, say, I don't know, a cafe and you're talking to somebody and they can't hear you, you will be less likely to be in conversations where you won't be able to understand each other. And the battery is 3400 milliamp hours, claiming to charge up to 50% within 25 minutes, which is fast indeed. And everything that powers the AI and all of that is all thanks to the NPU. NPU is in charge of the AI processing and all of that. You can think of the NPU as the brain of the phone. And that's basically all there is to talk about in the Honor 10. And one last mention for pricing, it will cost 470 euros, but you can currently get it for 399 euros, or basically 400 euros currently, but the starting price is basically 470. But right now, depending on when you're watching this, it's available for 400 euros. So just for those of you who are curious about pricing, tell me what you think about this AI driven device in the comments. Like this video, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.